Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Navitas Semiconductor stock. This one today is down by 10.4%, and over the course of the after hours we're actually down by another 4.2%. We're going to be speaking about this over the course of tonight's video. If you do enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, but as always do remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now again, a few things to pay attention to over here. Not only are we continuing to drop, we're also dropping past levels of support that we were looking for. Numbers right around the 1020 range, numbers below that at 970. We're all seeing these fail, and the question is, where do we go from here, right? In terms of levels of support that we've seen in the past, well, we don't really have that many to reference at this range. You could potentially be looking at numbers a little bit lower though. If you are to see this one drop a little bit, that could take us down to numbers maybe around the 825 range. We have seen that in the past. 820 could be levels to watch out for too. Then you're looking at, of course, levels a little bit below. You're looking at 792. You're looking down to 865 and possibly down to 850. If you're able to see a rebound somehow, guys, I am looking for a push up to 875. I'm looking at $9. I'm looking, of course, at numbers like 970. Really, these are the basic numbers that I'm looking at into the next couple of days. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.